Eisteddfod, hey look, Eisteddfod, hey look.
The Gorlan is the end of the night.
Cheap food.
The Gorlan is a friendly place and a place to socialise.
Cup of tea.
And have a cup of tea.
A place to have a burger and fill my stomach.
Gorlan is a place to go where you need food, a drink, a chat to someone if you're feeling down, feeling a bit hungover, or don't know where you go in life.
The Gorlan feeds us spiritually and materially.
Gorlan is paradise on earth.
Every year, about 2,000 Welsh speakers come to camp here at Maesba. As part of the Eisteddfod, they come to see a lot of live music, a lot of different gigs. And the only place to get some food at Maesba is the Gorlan, especially at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning after a heavy gig. People need food, burgers, coffee. So it really meets a need that people have at this campsite.
What's the Gorlan? The Gorlan is a great opportunity to serve in Wales. The Gorlan is a great opportunity to get to wear a cool t-shirt. The Gorlan is a great opportunity to get to know Christians from all over Wales. The Gorlan is a great opportunity to be a part of the Eisteddfod week for free. The Gorlan is a great opportunity to share your faith in Christ. So people need food, the Gorlan serves food. People need to drink, the Gorlan serves drink. But the Gorlan team think the most important need that people in Wales have is a need to know God through Jesus Christ. So that's what the Gorlan is here to do.
Golygu bod fi'n cael cyfle I efengylu pobl, mae'n golygu bod yn cyfle I fi wasanaethu am wythnos a dangos cymaint mae Iesu Grist yn ymwneud fi.
I ni'n trio gwasanaethu pobl sy'n aros ar maes B, trio edrych ar eu hola nhw, os ydyn nhw wedi blino neu cael gorfod i'r fed. A mi hefyd yn chwilio am gyfleoedd I rannu'n ffydd ni a gweithio pobl yn mynd I Iesu Grist a newyddion da ynglyn â'r groes.
Wel, mae'n gyfle I ddarparu gwasanaeth. Mae hefyd yn gyfle I siarad gyda pobl a sôn beth yn ffydd, fe ni'n credu hefyd. Sy'n fwy pwysig na'r burgers.
Mae Lenny wedi bod yn flwyddyn caled iawn achos ni ddim wedi bod â digon o weithwyr yma ar y tîm. Felly ni ddim wedi gallu sbario pobl I fod dros yr arall y cwmta yn rannu'r efengyl. A ni wedi goffod dibynnu ar griw bychan o bobl I weithio trwy'r wythnos. A felly ni yn gofyn I chi am gefnogaeth oherwydd os nag ni'n gallu cael tym bach mwy o ymrwymiad, bydd dim modd I ni barhau I wneud y gwaith yma ar maes B.